We call all our staff members Korillionaires. The spin on Korillionaires versus millionaires is really that it's not all about money. It's really about going after what you want.
Hey, this is Eddie. What's going on? Are we still on for 4 o'clock today? Yeah.
Hustle is taking a risk, falling down, getting up.
It's life.
You have to try everything and anything that comes to your mind. Our first idea was open up a Korean fast casual restaurant. I just want to make Korean cuisine a little bit more mainstream. I graduated college at the beginning of the Great Recession. I have no money, I have no experience. All the doors were shut in our faces. I was like, maybe do a food truck.
What's up, guys?
At that time, food trucks weren't cool at all. They were seen as dingy, but we really had no choice. It was extreme hustle. The cops would come, they would shut us down. It was very frightening. You're putting all your assets in a moving vehicle, and I'm a terrible driver. It's very important for me to share the things that I grew up eating. The biggest thing that I love about hustling is that it's a competitive sport. For the store design, it looks like this.
Oh, be nice.
Let's think about ways we could change the menu so that we can attract a different crowd. I think the ultimate competition is actually yourself. Maybe we can be vegan, Mexican, Buddhist temple food. Feel it.